So number 7. A city has a population of 2,549,786 people. Estimate this population to the nearest million. Where should that water bottle be? To the nearest million. Express your answer as a product of a single digit and a number 10. Okay? Round to the nearest million. The population is about, so this is my millions digit, right? That's where I'm going to round to. But I don't look at that number. I look at the next one. That's a 5. So does it stay 2 million or does it go up to 3 million?
3 million.
So then round it to the nearest million. The population is about 3 million. Writing it as a product of a single digit and a power of 10, this is a really large number. So should my exponent be negative or positive?
Positive.
Positive. So I'm going to move that decimal. It's over here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So it would be 3 times 10 to the power of?
6.
Yes, positive 6. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, questions so far? We're good? Okay. Number 8. Use a single digit, again, one digit, times a power of 10 to estimate that tiny number. Round to the nearest hundredth, thousandth. So we're going to look at this. And I know this is tenths, hundreds, right? Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So I'm going to round to this guy, but I look at that guy. That's a 4. So do I round up or do I stay? So it's going to stay 0 point. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, yes.
And then I'm going to stay a 2. Good job. So as a single digit, what should I make note of my exponent?
That's negative.
It's going to be negative. Good job. It's a tiny number. So now let me see how many times I have to move. I have to move 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 10 to the power of negative 5. Questions on that one? Are you doing good on converting? Yes? Okay. Let's do one for division, and then I'll have you all do your homework. Does somebody want to read this one? Thank you.
The approximate circumference of Earth and Saturn are shown. How many times greater is the circumference of Saturn than the circumference of Earth?
Thank you. How many times greater? We talked about is division, yes? Now, always make a note of what divided by what, because sometimes they like to give you the number switch. How many times greater is the circumference of Saturn? So you're going to divide Saturn by the circumference of Earth. All right. Let's look at Saturn. Which one's Saturn?
The
big one.
Okay. So let's see if I can see. Let me do black. So my decimal's here. No, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. I'm going to do a red very thick. So here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, would these 3 have rounded, the 300,000, would have that have rounded up or down? So 400,000. So it's going to be 4 times 10 to the 5th power. Now, the circumference of Earth is already like that, right? So I'm going to divide Saturn divided by Earth. Oh. Yeah, but what should I do with this 4.01? Does it round up or down? To what? To 4. So I can just leave it as 4. Divide your coefficients. 4 divided by 4 is 1. times 10 to the, what is the rule for that when we're dividing? Subtract. So 1 times 10 to the 1, which is 1 times 10, which is just 10. So the circumference of Saturn is about 10 times greater than the circumference of Earth. So Saturn is about 10 times bigger than Earth. Does that make sense?